Good afternoon, once again, Harry, Citron from Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Thank you so much for your time just now on the phone. I wanted to follow up that conversation with a quick video. We're trying to beat the storms coming here, so bear with me. We got plenty of Sonatas to choose from. Definitely one of our more popular vehicles here on our lot. Plenty of colors, trims. I got one pulled up here that I want to show you. It's an SE, like we just talked about. So Harry, in the front, a beautiful cascaded grille with the LED wraparound headlights, daytime running lights, nitrogen-filled tires, blind spot detection in the mirror. Let me show you the interior. On the inside here, we have a beautiful cloth fabric. We have, SE Sonatas with a lighter color cloth material as well. This one here is black, a 7-inch touchscreen display equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a bunch of safety and technology features such as drive mode select and again blind spot detection. But Harry, the best part about us, what sets us apart from other dealerships, we have a 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. But at Tameron, we double that powertrain, Harry, to 20-year, 200,000 miles powertrain warranty. So superior vehicles and superior warranties. I'll be the one working with you. I can't wait to meet you. Hopefully it's before the end of this month to maximize your savings. My number is 703-505-1598. Again, I'm Citron. Come on down Tameron Hyundai, where you're going to love the way you're treated.